Google Classroom. What is it? How do I navigate through it? How do I help my child complete their assignments as we go through these next few weeks doing digital lessons? So I'm going to walk you through a really quick tutorial for parents, guardians, caretakers, hopefully give you a little bit more understanding of how Google Classroom works. Google Classroom is our learning management system that all of your kids are aware of as they use them in their classes. It just basically is a digital classroom. So if you open up any internet browser, let's say you're not using the Google Chrome browser, if you open up any internet browser and you type in classroom.google, that will take you to the Google Classroom platform. Now, if you're on something else besides Google Chrome, your student will have to log in with their student email credentials. So their first name dot last name at stu.hardin.kyschools.us, and then it'll prompt them to put in their password. So that is one way that you can get to Google Classroom. Another way that you can get to Google Classroom is if you're in the Google Chrome browser. There up here by your picture, your child's picture, this is what we call the waffle. This is where you access your Google apps. So if you click on that, you'll find the Google Classroom icon. If you click on that, and if your student is logged in, it will take them directly to their classrooms. If your child only has a device, an iPhone, an Apple product, an Android product, then there are apps for that. So if you just go to the App Store and download Google Classroom, that's where they can access that from their mobile devices. So when they get into Google Classroom, this is kind of what they're going to see. The teacher side looks a tad bit different than the student side, but the basics are the same. So when they pull this up, you'll see different blocks, and these different blocks will be labeled by your child's classroom. So for example, if they have first period math, it'll have their first period math labeled with their teacher and with their assignments labeled. So what your child will be doing every day is to be going into Google Classroom, checking in each classroom to see what their teacher has posted for that day, for that week, or even for the next 2 weeks. So this is just kind of how it looks, just different boxes that just act like digital classrooms. As a parent, you can go through, you can click around and see. This is what the inside of a classroom looks like. The stream, it's kind of like a Facebook wall, is where the assignments will be posted, instructions, questions, whatever the teacher has posted for that day, the week, or the next 2 weeks. Your child should know all about Google Classroom as they use it daily. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your child's teacher, your child's school, or anybody that may be able to help with this digital platform. Thank you.